Have you ever wondered what powers the future of our planet? We're talking green energy, the driving force behind a sustainable and healthy planet. It's not just a trend, it's a necessity, a beacon of hope for our future generations. Today we'll dive into the world of green energy, exploring the top 5 sources that are making a real difference. From the sun's rays to the wind's gusts, we'll reveal the heroes of renewable power. Join us as we count down the top 5 sources of green energy. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is biomass energy. This renewable energy source comes from organic materials like plant and animal waste. Imagine all the waste we produce daily. Instead of it going to waste, it's transformed into a source of energy. How does it work, you ask? The process involves burning the biomass or converting it into other usable forms of energy, like methane gas or transportation fuels, like ethanol and biodiesel. The benefits are twofold. First, it reduces the amount of waste that would otherwise end up in landfills. Second, it reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to a decrease in greenhouse gas emissions. Let's talk numbers. Recent statistics show that in the United States alone, biomass energy contributes about 5% to the nation's total energy supply. This might not seem like a lot, but it's a significant step towards a greener future. Biomass energy, a traditional source of energy, yet still holds a significant role in our green future. At number 4, we have geothermal energy. This ingenious form of energy harnesses the raw thermal power of our very own planet. It works by tapping into the Earth's internal heat to generate electricity and heat buildings. Picture a vast underground reservoir of hot water heated by the Earth's core. This water is brought up to the surface and used to spin turbines which generate electricity. But why is geothermal energy so special? Firstly, it's a renewable source. The Earth's core will continue to produce heat for billions of years. Secondly, unlike solar or wind energy, geothermal energy doesn't depend on the weather. It provides a steady, uninterrupted supply of power. Just to give you a perspective of its potential, according to a recent report, geothermal energy currently supplies about 3% of the world's total electricity production. And with technological advancements, this figure is set to grow. Harnessing the Earth's heat, geothermal energy stands strong at number 4. Blowing in at 3rd place is wind energy. This sustainable power source harnesses the natural movement of air in our atmosphere. A marvel of human engineering, wind turbines convert kinetic energy into electrical power, providing a clean, renewable energy source. A key advantage of wind energy is its scalability. There's no limit to the number of turbines we can build, and they're increasingly efficient. According to recent statistics, wind turbines globally generated over 596 gigawatt-hours of electricity in the past year. That's enough to power 54 million homes for a year. Moreover, wind farms have a minimal impact on the environment compared to fossil fuel power plants. They emit no greenhouse gases during operation, helping to combat climate change. Wind energy is not only powerful, but also abundant and ever-present. It's a reliable source of power that's gaining momentum in the green energy race. With its limitless potential, wind energy sweeps the 3rd spot. Shining brightly at the 2nd spot is solar energy. This radiant form of power, drawn directly from our brilliant sun, is one of the most abundant and accessible resources on our planet. The process is simple yet ingenious. Solar panels capture the sun's rays and convert them into electricity, powering our homes, businesses, and even our vehicles. What makes solar energy a game changer? It's clean, renewable, and virtually limitless. Plus, it's been gaining ground fast. Just last year, solar energy installations increased by a staggering 70% worldwide. And it's not just about the numbers. Solar energy reduces our dependence on fossil fuels, significantly cutting back on greenhouse gas emissions. This isn't just about turning on the lights or keeping our phones charged. It's about harnessing a power that's been shining down on us for billions of years and channeling it into a sustainable, eco-friendly energy solution. Harnessing the power of our closest star, solar energy illuminates our path to a greener future. And now, the number 1 source of green energy is hydroelectric energy. Produced by harnessing the power of flowing or falling water, hydroelectric energy is both renewable and efficient. It's not only responsible for about 20% of the world's electricity, but it's also the largest source of power in countries like Norway, Brazil, and China. With its incredible efficiency and use of our planet's most abundant resource, hydroelectric energy takes the crown. And that concludes our countdown of the top 5 green energy sources. From the versatile biomass to the earth-powered geothermal, the mighty winds, the radiant solar, and the reigning champion, hydroelectric, we've journeyed through the renewable resources shaping our future. As we stand on the brink of a sustainable era, these energy sources are not just alternatives, they are necessities. Click the link below to learn more about how you can contribute to a greener future. Remember, the power is in your hands.